Well, folks, welcome to another edition of Show Me Your Car. I'm here with Ed. Ed, I'm Craig.
How you doing?
Good. Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice meeting you.
Okay, you got this really cool car here. What is it?
That's a 50 gasser Chevy.
A 50 gasser.
Yep.
Okay. What makes it a gasser?
The front end.
Okay. Oh, I see. It's got an
Straight
axle
axle
down there.
Yep.
Okay, cool. That is really a neat car.
Thank you.
What size engine you got in it?
That's a 383 stroker.
Okay.
You should be doing that.
That is really neat how he did those pipes. That's a custom pipe job there, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's got a mini spoon on the back. It's chirps all the time when you turn the corner.
Oh, really?
Yeah, all the back wheels turn together, and
Okay.
one's faster than the other.
Wow. I just love this look, how the look is on this.
Steering box you got in.
That's just the manual, the original.
That one?
Yeah.
Right.
Yep.
Man, this is cool. Check out
it's
the
a
inside
bear
of
to
this bad boy.
stare, especially in tight areas.
I got a 53
Do you?
and my steering, I guess, is out.
Huh.
Oh yeah, it's
Very neat.
pretty loose.
Very, very
So
cool.
I'm looking for a steering box. That's the reason I asked.
Yeah. Oh yeah. No.
Yeah.
I will.
I see you got your bottle opener down there.
Yep.
Never know when you might need one of those.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You got your battery and your
cell.
fuel cell and everything back here.
Even got a heater.
Oh, is that what that is right
That's
there?
a heater.
Okay. Very cool.
And that.
Okay,
Yeah.
right there it says 50 gasser.
Yep.
Yeah. This is
No.
really neat car.
I like it.
Do you think that I might be able to talk you into firing this bad boy
Oh, I
up?
can fire it up.
That'd be sweet. Oh yeah. Boy, that sounds nice. Oh yeah, that's a cool sound. Oh, very, very neat. Well, how long you've had this thing?
About 3 years.
3 years?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you buy it like this, or did
Yeah.
you?
Pretty
Okay.
much. Did some of the stuff. But
Yeah.
Pretty much bought it. Friend of ours.
Okay.
He buys and sells cars.
Okay. Cool. Now you got pins for your hood.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. You got
Yeah.
the hood pin right there.
Yep.
Goes through that little hole right there.
Yep.
All right, Ed. Is there anything else you need to add to showing
No.
your car?
No.
All right, sir. Well,
Appreciate it.
hey, I appreciate you taking a minute
Oh, no
and
problem.
showing me your car. That is really, really awesome. Thanks again, man. I really appreciate it.
Thanks.
That is too cool. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed that edition of Show Me Your Car as much as I did. If you liked the video, click the little logo right here and you can subscribe there. It's free to do. And right down here on this side is the last video I just did. Thanks a bunch.